Alex Rodriguez and his daughters had an amazing vacation to Capri. The former New York Yankees third baseman posted a sweet photo of him with Natasha, 17, and Ella, 14, on his Instagram on Monday, June 13. A-Rod, 46, gushed about how lucky he is to spend some quality time with his daughters on the vacation. Both the girls wore white dresses and sunglasses while the baseball star put his arms around them. Alex sported a navy blue t-shirt and a pair of khaki pants as he smiled with his daughters. "Look who showed up in Capri? Lucky guy," he wrote, including a heart emoji and the hashtag #GirlDad. A-Rod posted more of the good times with his daughters on the vacation to his Instagram stories, including a clip of the three of them all giving peace signs to the camera. He also shared a photo of his daughter with some friends, which he captioned, "The band is back together." Alex shares both of the girls with his ex-wife Cynthia Skirtis, 49, who he split up with, in 2008. Even though the couple's marriage may not have lasted, they do seem like they do a great job co-parenting their daughters, and A-Rod even publicly praised her on her birthday. "You've always been a wonderful mother and role model to our two incredible daughters," he wrote on Instagram. "I've always said that when it comes to co-parenting, I'm extremely lucky because most people only have a 50-50 split of time with their kids. With us, it feels more like 100 to 100. The vacation time with his daughters came after photos were released of the Yankees alum seen kissing his reported new girlfriend, fitness influencer Catherine Paget during a night out in Capri, for People. The pair have been rumored to have gotten together in January, and it seems like they're having a great time together. Catherine did share a few photos of herself vacationing on a yacht in Italy last Thursday, June 9.